What are these? Look at these, chat. Look at them. I just opened the box and my jaw's on the floor. Guys, these might be the most insane, the most beautiful, and honestly, the most technically advanced running shoes I've ever seen. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into what might just be the best shoes to run long distance this year. And no, they're not from Nike or Asics. They're something different, something special. So smash that like button, get comfy, and let's get into it. Sorry, still getting over the shock. Okay, so first impressions. The design, I mean, come on. It's a full-on psychedelic mushroom festival on a shoe. We've got electric blues, hot pinks, these crazy glowing greens. It's like running on a galaxy. But this isn't just art, people. This is performance art. Every single part of this design is built for a purpose. Okay, let's talk specs, because looks mean nothing if they can't perform, right? The upper is this insane breathable mesh Flyknit. It moves with your foot. See that? No resistance. That means no blisters on those 10-mile runs. They're lightweight, like, seriously, feel how light this is, which is an absolute must for long-distance running. And the sole? We've got a high-quality rubber outsole for grip that just won't quit, and a React foam midsole combined with a molded EVA insole. Translation, cushion, for days. Your knees and back will thank you after 20 kilometers, trust me on that. The fit is super secure with this lace-up closure. Oh, and some styles even have a toggle system for easy on and off. They feel like a hug for your feet, a supportive, bouncy, comfortable hug. Now, I know what you're thinking, but are they just pretty? Are they actually better than my trusty old pair? And my answer is absolutely. Why should you use these? Let me tell you. They combine the durability of a Saucony with the energy return of a high-end Nike, all wrapped in a design that nobody else has. You'll stand out in the best way possible, you'll be more comfortable, and you'll probably run longer because, let's be real, you'll want to show these off. If you're as obsessed with these as I am, you're going to want a pair. You will find the link to get these exact shoes down in the description box below. Seriously, check it out. Why are they better than other stuff on Amazon? Simple. Most Amazon shoes are generic. They copy a design and call it a day. These are custom handmade with attention to detail you just don't find elsewhere. The materials are premium, the construction is next level. It's a complete package. So who are these for? Runners who want to express themselves. Festival goers who need comfy shoes that look insane. Anyone who appreciates art and top-tier performance colliding. They are perfect for the gym, for casual days, for actually setting a new personal best. Okay, final verdict. These psychedelic mushroom kicks are not a gimmick. They are legitimately some of the best long-distance running shoes I've tested this season. They look incredible, they feel incredible, and they perform under pressure. You will find the link to the product in the description. Go, go, go! Before you go, do me a huge favor. If you enjoyed this review, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out more than you know. And most importantly, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss our next review. We've got some crazy stuff coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Leave a comment below telling me what you think of these shoes. Would you rock these on a run? Let me know. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.